Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Ceramic Wax. And this is the 16 fluid ounce right here, and it's the SiO2 wax advanced technology. I'll tell you, I bought a new Sprinter and I want it to look a little bit better, and this wax is going to help me do that. And on the back here, as pretty standard, you have all of the directions that you need to kind of go through on how exactly to get the most out of this product. So for your project, for your vehicle, make sure and read through this. And one thing I do know is don't do it in the sunshine, and work in kind of 2 to 3 foot sections. And I've read a lot of reviews, and this is actually one of the higher performing waxes, and it's pretty simple to use. It's just going to be a little bit of work because my roof, it's a high roof, goes 10 feet high. So I'm going to get to work using it.